Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting math problem regarding elementary algebra, in particular the quadratic equation, which is suitable for beginners. Here is the problem. Suppose a and b are real numbers. Solve the following equation. 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over x equals 1 over a plus b plus x. Before we uncover the solution, I encourage you to hit the pause button, grab your pen and paper and give it your best shot. When you're ready, feel free to share answers in the comments. Then we explore the solution together. Let's get started. Now, there have been various discussions about this question, but some of them miss out an essential idea in math, which we'll discuss later in this video. As usual, we start from the given condition 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over x equals 1 over a plus b plus x. Subtracting both sides by 1 over x, we get the following. Combining the fraction on the left hand side, we obtain a plus b over ab. For the right hand side, combining the fractions give x minus a plus b plus x over a plus b plus x times x, which is equivalent to the negative of a plus b over a plus b plus x times x. Here comes to the crucial part. If a plus b equals 0, then both the left hand side and the right hand side equals 0. This implies that if a equals negative b and is not equals 0, then the origin equation is always true for any real number x. Most online discussion miss mentioning this and proceed to cancel the common term a plus b, which may lead to incorrect answers as demonstrated. Hence, it's crucial to mention that a plus b can be cancelled if it is not equals 0. From the cancellation, we obtain 1 over ab equals negative 1 over x times x plus a plus b. This leads us to a quadratic equation x squared plus x times a plus b plus ab equals 0. Factorizing it, we obtain x plus a times x plus b equals 0. So x equals negative a or x equals negative b. In conclusion, if a equals negative b and is not equal 0, then the solution set is the real set, meaning that any real number x is an answer. If a is not equal to negative b, then x is either equals negative a or negative b. While we have successfully solved the problem, it's always beneficial to practice what you have just learned. Using a similar method as shown just now, I believe that you are able to solve the following equation. Feel free to try it and share your answer in the comments. That concludes today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more exciting math challenges in the future. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.